before is on the right side, and the new one that's going in is on the left side. Obviously, you could tell that actually just looks really worn out. There you have it. There's the new plug. Nice and firmly installed. And shove that down back in place. And now you're ready to move on to the next one. And even though I didn't have the last one on video, I'm going to show you on this one. Twisty jerky motion. There we go. And it should come right out. And repeat steps 1 through 4. No. But yeah, now I'm going to do the same thing. Remove the old plug, put the new plug. Of course, add the anti-seize. And there you go. And that pretty much sums it up for a spark plug change. Now, if you're doing wires, obviously it's going to change all these out. I'm not doing that though, so. And since I'm not working on that first plug anymore, I'm just going to put this back in place. All right. I'm going to run it, sit out here for a little bit, listen to a little bit of music, and check the engine really quick. I still have to put the cover back on. So far, so good. I mean, yeah.